If you're a developer using AI right now, promise me you will stop doing this one thing. Stop asking AI to build entire systems from scratch. Because that's not the future of coding. The future is something I call the template first method. And once you understand this, you will never code the same again. Right now, everyone is doing this. Build me a full security system, create a drone controller, or make me a SaaS app. And AI delivers. But here's the problem. You don't really control the architecture. You don't own the structure. You don't reuse anything. You just regenerate over and over again. That's not leverage. That's randomness. And randomness does not scale. The new way of coding is not prompt first. It's template first. The template first method is simple. Build clean, reusable, standalone core modules. Then use AI to extend them, and never let AI invent your architecture. So basically, you are designing the skeleton and AI is adding the muscles. So let's say you want to build an AI security system. Most people type, create a system using YOLO that detects intruders and maybe sends alerts, right? And yes, you will get the code. But what about next time when you build something similar? You start again. Different structure, different logic, and different chaos. Template first says create a clean YOLO detection module, input video stream, output bounding boxes and labels, and no business logic. This becomes your detection template. Now your prompt changes. Using my detection template, add an alert system when a person is detected between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Did you notice the difference? AI is extending your system, not inventing one. And that's control. Now, let me show you how powerful this really is. Recently, I created a full course about learning how to code a drone inside a simulator called Pysimverse. And I built the entire system using the templates first method. Instead of building each drone mission from scratch, I built template first. These were core reusable templates like a drone movement control templates, a keyboard trigger templates, a drone camera footage templates, a color detection templates, and so on. Each one was standalone, minimal, reusable, and cleanly structured. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Using those same templates, I built 5 completely different drone missions. Moving to a target, capturing image through drone, hand gesture control drone, controlling the drone using jumping, and even line following drone. 5 missions, same core architecture, no rewriting everything. That was only possible because of the template first method. Now here's the part nobody talks about. People are scared that AI will make developers dumb. And honestly, if you're doing prompt first coding, it will. Because when you constantly say, build me X, you stop thinking about structure. You stop thinking about abstraction. You stop thinking about architecture. You become a code consumer, not a system designer. But with the template first method, the opposite happens. Because before AI touches anything, you had to think. You had to decide. What is the input? What is the output? What should this module do? What stays generic? What stays reusable? That thinking builds up architectural strength, and AI cannot replace that. And here's something even more powerful. Over time, you don't just use your templates. You evolve them, you refine them, you improve them. And yes, you can even use AI to upgrade your templates. You can say, here is my drone controller template, refactor it for better performance, or improve the modularity of this detection template. But here's the difference. You're not asking AI to invent something unknown. You are asking it to improve something you already understand. You know the inputs, you know the outputs, you know the boundaries. So when AI updates your templates, you can validate it, you can compare it, you can reject if needed, because you know what you have. That's ownership. Imagine 2 developers. Developer A prompts everything from scratch, ships fast, but doesn't really understand their systems deeply. On the other hand, developer B builds reusable templates, continuously improves them, uses AI intelligently to evolve them. Now something breaks. Who can fix it faster? Who knows where to look? Who understands the flow? That's the template first developer. Because they didn't outsource thinking, they outsourced repetition. That's the difference. When you use template first, you know your assets. You know your detection template, your control template, your trigger system, your camera module, your color detection core. You can basically explain them, you can modify them, you can optimize them. You are not digging through thousands of lines of AI generated mystery code and wondering why is this here. You build the foundation. That clarity basically compounds over time. Templates compound. The first one is hard. The fifth one is easier. But the 10th one, you are building systems at insane speed. Because now you're not just coding, you are assembling components. And AI becomes your construction crew, not your brain. The highest leverage skill in this new era isn't prompt engineering, it's abstraction design. So ask yourself this question. Can you build a reusable authentication template? A reusable vision template, a reusable drone controller? AI can generate infinite variations around it. But without templates, you are just regenerating spaghetti code. Prompt first coding feels powerful, but template first coding is powerful. The template first method is how you use AI without losing control, scale without rewriting everything, stay technically sharp, continuously evolving your own system, building assets instead of temporary outputs. It doesn't make you dependent on AI. It makes AI dependent on your architecture. And that's the power shift. If you let AI think for you, you get faster. If you design the system first, you get stronger. And the developers who get stronger now are the ones who won't be replaced later. So ask yourself, are you generating code or are you building reusable systems? Because once you switch to the template first method, AI stops replacing you and starts amplifying you.